If you're considering WPX hosting for your website, here are 12 crucial things you need to know before making the purchase. Stick around to the end so you can decide if WPX really is the right choice for you, or if there's a better solution out there. First, WPX hosting is known for its fast performance, but how does it compare to its competitors like SiteGround or Bluehost? WPX's claim to fame is its speed. They offer ultra-fast loading times thanks to their custom-built infrastructure and free CDN integration, which can give you an edge over other providers, especially if you're looking to improve your site's user experience and SEO. Next thing to consider is their support. WPX offers 24/7 live chat support with highly skilled agents. Their team has a reputation for being quick to respond and effective in resolving issues. But competitors like HostGator offer similar support, though you might find WPX is more tailored to your needs if you're dealing with complex issues. The third thing to know is WPX's pricing structure. Their pricing starts at a bit higher than budget-friendly hosts like Bluehost or Hostinger, but when you factor in the performance and support, it might be worth the extra cost. WPX offers 3 plans, with the first one coming in at $24.99 per month. But remember, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. The fourth thing to consider is their speed guarantee. WPX boasts that they load websites at an average of 1.5 seconds, which is impressive. If your site is slower than that, they'll fix it for free. This sets WPX apart from other hosts that don't offer this level of commitment. The fifth thing is their uptime. WPX promises a 99.95% uptime guarantee. While this is solid, it's not the highest in the industry. Providers like A2 Hosting offer a 99.99% uptime guarantee, which might be a more appealing option if you're prioritizing minimal downtime. Next up is their free site migration. WPX offers free site migration for new customers, which is a great perk. However, competitors like SiteGround also offer free migration, and some hosts even let you move an unlimited number of sites with their higher tier plans. The seventh thing to know is that WPX hosting is built for speed and performance, but they don't offer as many data center locations as some other hosts. For example, Kinsta offers more global locations, which can help if your audience is scattered around the world. But WPX still delivers solid speed thanks to its strong CDN and global network. The eighth thing is their email hosting. WPX includes email hosting as part of their plans, but their email services aren't as feature-rich as those from other hosts like Google Workspace. If email is a big part of your business, you might want to consider whether WPX's email hosting meets your needs. The ninth thing is their backup options. WPX doesn't offer automatic daily backups with their basic plan. This means you'll need to set up your own backups or upgrade your plan for this feature. This is something that hosts like SiteGround offer by default, which might be a deal breaker for some users. The 10th thing is WPX's scalability. As your website grows, WPX makes it easy to upgrade your plan. However, you'll notice that their pricing jumps significantly as you move up tiers. While the extra cost can be justified by the performance boost, it's something to keep in mind if you anticipate rapid growth. The 11th thing is the management of resources. WPX gives you plenty of resources in their plans, but keep in mind that if you exceed the allocated limits, you'll have to pay extra. This is common with many hosting providers, but if you plan on running resource-heavy websites, it might be something to keep an eye on. The final thing is WPX's custom dashboard. While WPX's dashboard is user-friendly and clean, it may take a bit of time to get used to. It's simple to navigate, but if you're used to cPanel or a more familiar dashboard, there might be a slight learning curve. WPX hosting is a strong contender, particularly if speed and solid customer support are top priorities for you. But if you're looking for an even better solution that might suit your needs more, check out our recommended hosting service, which you can try for free.